Hello everyone, welcome back you all in our online video classes. Dear students, in class 7th mathematics, we are studying chapter 2nd, fractions and decimals, and today we are going to start exercise 2.3, right? So let us discuss first question of this exercise. First question is given, find 1/4 of A part is given 1/4, B part is given 3/5 and C part is given 4/3. So we will solve first question of this exercise. Question number 1, first part, 1/4 of A part 1/4, B part 3/5 and C part is 4/3. Okay, so let us solve first part, A part 1/4. Dear students, this exercise is about the multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. So dear students, 1/4 of 1/4 means 1/4 multiply 1/4, right? And we will simply multiply numerator with numerator, 1 into 1 and here 4 into 4, and we will get 1 1 ja 1, 4 4 ja 16. So 1/16 is the answer of A part. Similarly, B part, this is the answer. B part is 1/4 of 3/5. 1/4 of 3/5. This means 1/4, dear students, of will change to multiply 3/5. हम सिंपली 1 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और 4 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 1 3 जा 3 and 4 5 जा 20. So 3/20 is the answer. Similarly, C part is given 1/4 of 4/3. 1/4 of 4/3 will be equal to 1/4 into 4/3. So students, here we can cancel this 4 by this 4 in numerator and 4 given in denominator. We can cancel the same. Okay, we will get here 1 1. So 1 into 1 divided by 1 into 3. 1 into 1, 1 into 3. It will be 1/3 is the answer. Okay, 4/12 is also right answer, but this is a reduced form. So it was first part of first question. Second question you can do with the help of first part. Okay, second part you can do by yourself. And now we have to solve second question. So second question is given here. Multiply and reduce to lowest form if possible. So we have given here 7 parts. Let us discuss any one part of this, like first part and last part. Okay, so question number 2. First part is given here. 2/3 multiply 2/3. So we can solve it as, first of all, this will be as it is, 2/3 multiply this mixed fraction we can convert into improper fraction. So 3 2 ja 6, 6 plus 2 8/3. Now this is very simple, that we have to multiply numerator with numerator, 2 into 8 and 3 into 3. So 2 8 ja 16/3, 3 ja 9 is our answer. Okay, and we cannot reduce it to the simplest form because we cannot cancel any one. right? So 16 upon 9 is the simplest form. Similarly, we have to solve fifth part, okay, because fifth part is given 1 upon 3 into 15 upon 8. So students, here we can cancel here 15 by 3, because 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15. So 1 5 ja 1 into 5 and 1 into 8, it will be 5 upon 8, which is the required reduced form. Okay, so remaining parts you can solve by yourself. Okay, now third question is given, multiply the following fractions. It is very simple and it is as similar as question number 2, right? But let us discuss one problem, that third part of this question. Question number third, and we are going to discuss third part of third question. Third part is given 3 by 2 into 5 1 by 3, and we have to first of all convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 5 3 are 15 plus 1, 16 upon 3, and we can cancel 3 by 3, okay, and 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16. So 1 into 8 upon 1 into 1, and finally 8 upon 1, or we can simply write it as 8 is our answer. Okay, remaining parts you can do by yourself. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is very interesting. Which is greater? Question number 4 is given, which is greater, as 2 upon 7 or 3 of 3 upon 5, or 3 upon 5 of 5 upon 8. Which one is greater? So first of all we have to solve this part. First part is given 2 upon 7 of 3 upon 4. It will be equal to 2 upon 7 multiply 3 upon 4. So it is very simple. We cannot cancel anyone. So 2 3 जा 6, हम सिंपल 2 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. 2 3 जा 6 and 7 4 जा 28. And we can cancel this 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Then we will get here as 1 into 3 upon 7 into 2, and it will be 3 upon 14, right? Similarly, second is given 3 upon 5 of 5 upon 8. So we will solve it. 3 upon 5 into 5 upon 8. We can cancel here 5 by 5, and our answer will be 3 1 ja 3, 8 1 ja 8, 3 upon 8. So we have here two fractions, 3 upon 14 and 3 upon 8. We have to say which one is greater. So it is very clear that this part is greater because numerators are same and denominators are different. So उस फ्रैक्शन वो फ्रैक्शन क्या होगा हमारा ग्रेटर होगा जिसका डिनोमिनेटर क्या होगा स्मॉलर होगा अगर न्यूमरेटर सेम होते हैं हमारे. लेकिन फिर भी हमें क्या करना है इसको, अगर हमें इसको और क्लियर करना है तो हमें न्यूमरेटर को हमें इसका डिनोमिनेटर क्या करना पड़ेगा, सेम बनाना पड़ेगा. तो उसके लिए हमें क्या लेना पड़ेगा, एलसीएम लेना पड़ेगा दोनों का. सो इसका डिनोमिनेटर 8, इसका 14. तो हम लेंगे एलसीएम ऑफ 8 एंड 14. हम देखते हैं कितना एलसीएम आता है हमारा. तो एलसीएम निकालते हैं 8 14 का. 2 4 जा 8, 2 7 जा 14, अगेन बाई 2, 2 2 जा 4, अगेन बाई 2 एंड बाई 7 1. सो 2 2 जा 4, 2 जा 8 and 8 7 जा 56. So 56 is the LCM. Okay, now we can write 3 upon 14 as, we have to divide LCM by denominator of first fraction. So we will get 4 and we have to multiply 4 by both. Okay, so 3 4 ja 12 upon 14 4 ja 56. Similarly, we can multiply it here as fraction is, next fraction is here 3 upon 8. So 3 upon 8 will be 3 upon 8, it will be 3 multiply something, 8 multiply something. So we can take it as, we have to divide LCM by denominator of second fraction. So we will get, we have to divide 56 by 8, we will get 7. So we have to multiply 7 by both, like here and here, and 3 7 ja 21 and 8 7 ja 56. So in both the cases it is here 12 upon 56 and it is here 21 upon 56. Now since 21 is greater than 12, 21 is greater than 12, so therefore 3 upon 8 will be greater than 3 upon 8 will be greater than 3 upon 14. 3 upon 14, that is 3 upon 8 हमारा किसका रिजल्ट था, 3 upon 8 रिजल्ट था हमारा 3 upon 5 of 5 upon 8. So it will be 3 upon 5 of 5 upon 8 is greater than 2 upon 7 of 3 by 4. This is the answer. So students, second part of question number 4 you have to solve by yourself, and if you have any doubt anywhere you can ask me on WhatsApp. So practice more and more and complete this exercise up to question number 4. That's all.